The Tennant Company T300 walk-behind scrubber dryer consistently delivers reliable high-performance cleaning results while lowering cleaning costs. Versatility has been engineered into the T300. It tackles virtually any hard surface condition, quickly leaving floors clean and dry. The T300 floor scrubber helps increase productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your employees and visitors. Improve your premises image by keeping floors beautifully clean and ready to use, all at a low cost of ownership. And because it's made by Tennant, it's built with quality and durability in mind. The T300 is available in 17-inch, 20-inch and 24-inch disc configurations and a 20-inch orbital head. New to the T300 is the 20-inch dual cylindrical configuration, which is excellent for cleaning grouted surfaces. Dual cylindrical also reduces the need to pre-sweep before scrubbing. The Tennant T300, providing exceptional floor scrubbing while delivering reduced costs to clean, improved premises image, health and safety benefits, all in an easy-to-use and maintain compact walk-behind scrubber dryer. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.